This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the passenger's side of the fascia. Unscrew the two fasteners and remove the lower panel. Squeeze together the clips and remove the filter cover. Pull the pollen filter element from the heater housing. Note the arrows indicating airflow on the edge of the filter element. The arrows must point to the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new element into the heater housing. Refit the filter cover, ensuring the clips engage. Manoeuvre the lower fascia panel into position, with the lug at the front edge located in the slot in the base of the fuse box. Press the fasteners upwards over the posts to secure the panel.